here's the cold air kit that I'm going to install on the Camaro. There's a heat shield, the tubing, and the actual filter. And it came with some hardware. Already got started getting one part of it on. So now, just need to go in here. And remove the old air box. And this should be pretty simple. Once I remove the sensor, this hose, and the main hose clamp down at the bottom, we should be able to just pull this straight out. So here's a look at the factory air box and intake that I've taken out. You can see the box right here. This is the inlet for the air to come in, and then it connects to this elbow. And this elbow actually reduces down to a 2-inch opening. And then it connects to this part, which again is down to 2 inches in the center, and it's almost designed like a muffler or a resonator to cut down on the noise. So I've never seen a system as restrictive as this, where it's actually reduced down to 2 inches. So going with the cold air kit, it is much less restrictive, and there's no resonator in it to cut down on the noise. It's much louder after you upgrade this. I have the filter assembly mostly installed. I have the 2 clamps down there. This hose is snapped on at the top, and I have the 3 rubber mounts under the heat shield. I just need to put the 3 nuts on. I need to put on the filter with its clamp. And finally, just take the mass airflow sensor, put it in position, and bolt it in. The intake is completely installed. Have the filter in, the tubing, the mass airflow sensor, this connector at the top, and the 2 hoses. The only thing I'll say about this is make sure you leave all of the hose clamps loose until you have everything in place, and then tighten them afterwards. You have to kind of wiggle this around and maneuver it to get everything to fit properly. I have an Amazon link for this cold air kit in the video description. If you found that video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.